Hello students. Last video we have seen about division of any decimal number by whole number. Now this video I want to explain about division of any decimal by decimal. Means we have to divide any decimal by decimal number. So we have to follow some steps there also. Some steps same, after that same we have to divide like that only. So here dividend also has decimal and divisor also has decimal. For that we have to follow in question divisor we have to remove first of all decimal, then we have to divide. So just you see here how many decimal places are there in divisor. Here has one decimal places. So we have to remove these decimal places. For that we have to remove here also one decimal places. Means we have to remove one decimal places here. So again here also has one decimal places. For that 4 there is no any decimal places because there also one decimal places and there also one decimal places. So decimal place will remove from both the side. It will come 4 divided by 2. Like that. After that we have to write down, then divide 4 divided by 2. Answer will be 2. So there is no any division. You can directly divide if you know the table through 2 is 4. That's why answer will be 2. After that next question you have to see the next question. 0.32 it is divided by 0.4. So how we divide? Here has one decimal places, there has two decimal places. So in divisor we have to remove one decimal places, means this decimal will go left to right. This decimal will go left to right, means both decimal places will remove. And here also same you have to follow. If you removing one decimal places from in the divisor, then you have to remove here also in dividend also one decimal places from left to right. So it will come 3.2 divided by 4. Because one decimal places is removed, from here also one decimal places will remove. So here it will remaining answer will be 3.2, means one decimal places is there. Because before that it has two decimal places, one decimal places of removed because of this was divisor. Now it is the final. If you will divide by this or divide by this, answer will be same. So now we have to divide by 4 to 3.2. Now we have to follow same process before the video. Last video I have explained if any number divided decimal number is divided by whole numbers, like that same question is same. So just 3 is there, again it is not divided by 4. So just remove this point. We have to put in the question. Then it will come 32. Then we can divide by 8 for the 32. So 8 will come, and then 8 for the 32. Remainder will be 0. So final answer is 0.8. Like that you have to do decimal division to decimal division. Decimal to decimal. Like that again here has one decimal places and here has 5 digits. After decimal has 5 digits, means 5 decimal places. So in divisor has one decimal places, you have to remove these decimal places. Then again this point in dividend also one point will remove from left to right. So just write down here, this will come here and it will remove finally. So 0.9385 is divided by 5. Now we have to divide by 5, it is a whole number. Same process we have to do, same like this. So we have to divide 5 to 0.9385. Like for that we have to remove first of all this point in question. We have to put point and then it will remove. Now we divide by 9. Just you catch first digit 9. So you can divide by 5. 1 ja. So 5 1 ja 5. Now we have to subtract 9 minus 4. 5 will come. Sorry, 9 will 5. 9 minus 5. 4 will come. And then write down here below 3. Then 5 ja 5 8 ja 40. 5 8 ja 40. Now subtract 3 will come. Then write down here 8. Again 5 7 ja 3. Then you have to write down again next digit 5, 9, 5 7 again. So 35 minus 35, answer will be 0. So like that you have to do in the division next question also. I have written in this next question is 0.4 divided by 0.02. If like this 0.8. If this type of number is given, how will divide? It has 1 decimal places and divisor has 3 decimal places. For that we have to remove 3 decimal places, but it has only 1 decimal places. So for that we have to make same types of decimal places. For that make like decimal, then like decimal. So for that we can put 1 0 0, 2 small zeros, then divide 0.008. So now here also 3 decimal places are there. Then we can remove these decimal places. It will also remove all. Then will 400 divided by 8. Then it is divided by 8. Then 8 400 5 40. Then it will separated 0 0. Then we have to write on the 0. Again you have to put here 0. So final answer will be 50. After that we have to do this question. Same types of you can do. For that you have to remove 3. Here it has 6 number of decimal places and there is no any decimal places. You have to make like decimal. For that you have to put point and 6 digit for 0. Just write down here 6 zeros. Then divided by 0.0001016. Then you can remove this point 4 and then it will also remove all the points. So 5 has 6 number of zeros. Then divided by 16. Then now we can divide by 16 to 50. 16 to 5000 and one more zeros. Then divide 3 job. 16 3 job 48 will come. Now subtract 2 will come here. Then write down here 0 1 job. Then 16 1 job. Then subtract 4 and then write down there again 0. Then 2 job 32. Then write down minus subtract 8. Again you have to write down 0. Then 8 5 job 16 5 job 80. Then subtract 0 will come. Then write down there 0 and then write down there 0. For that if you writing this 0 you have to put here one more 0. Again writing the 0. Then you have to put 0. So final answer is 31250. Like that you have to do next question also. I have written on the board and I am not explaining now. Just you go through this all the question. You can understood all each type of question. Here I have explained. Just whatever decimal number of digits are there, we are removing. For that you have to make like decimal. Then it will remove here also. Then here all decimal will remove. Then 16 will come because before 0 there is no any value of this 0. So 16 is the divisor and dividend is 5 has 6 number of zeros means 59. So 16 divided by this 59. Then you have to divide in the process. I have divided up to till this. Then it has 0. I have written for that 0 has also. And again 1 0 we have to write down there. For that we have to written 0. Then it has final answer is 3,12,500 is the final answer. If any types of this type of question is coming in the exercise, you can do easily by this process. That's all.